Are you stuck with the Outlook error 0x800CCC0F every time you try to send or receive emails? This frustrating error basically means that your Outlook could not connect to your mail server, and it can completely stop your emails from going through. The reason for this issue could be an unstable internet connection, incorrect server settings, or a firewall or antivirus blocking the connection, or even an outdated version of Outlook. In this video, I will fix this issue real quick so you can get rid of this error once and for all. In case you need more help, then call on the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one expert assistance. Now, let's get started right away. Open the Microsoft Outlook application and click on the File tab in the top left corner. Click on the Account Settings and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down list that appears. A new tab will open. From here, click on the email account as shown in the image below. After that, click on the Change option. On the Open page, you need to simply click on More Settings option. Now, you should click on the Advanced tab. Next, look for the Outlook Data File Settings option and click on it. Then, go ahead and select Compact Now on the Open page. Let the process complete and then check whether the issue is removed or not.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.